Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and for today's video, as you can see down below, we are going to do a video where we try this new trend of the fake baby hair that's happening right now, the wave of fake baby hair. So today I'll be using these. I bought them from Tabo. Tabo is like the Amazon of China. That's pretty much the only way to explain it. So I bought these on Tabo, and we are going to try to see if they really work. For the video, I'm doing this because there was one girl who she did hers, it worked, and one girl did hers and it didn't work. Insert clip here.
Oh my god, il m'a envoyé trop vouloir faire comme les autres. Moi je me tais, je vous laisse voir par vous-même. Il n'y a pas de mots, pas besoin de parler. On m'envoie plusieurs comme si j'allais faire.
We are going to try to see if it works, but there's some things that I've watched a couple of videos with these things happening, and there's some things that I realized that the girl might have did wrong. So I'm actually cutting it as I speak. So I think she placed the fake baby hair on her actual edges, which I don't think that should have happened. So we are going to try to learn from her mistake to see if we can get it done properly. But I really and truly think that the part that needs to be cut really is the back part. So I'm trying to cut the back part as close to the hairline as possible. Well, as close to the fake hairline as possible, so that when I lay it on my face, it actually lays well. I didn't see anybody really doing this, but this is something I think would work. So this is it. When I did my hair myself, I didn't video it. I actually videoed a natural hair tutorial. I don't know if I'm going to put it up. So because this hair thing is like a tattoo, I'm just going to use my toner to wipe my forehead, because I have shea butter all over my face, as I told you before. So I'm just going to use my toner and wipe my face to get rid of the shea butter, because it's like a tattoo, guys. So if you're going to put a fake tattoo on, you have to get rid of the oil that is on the skin. So I'm getting rid of the oil that is on this, well, on that part of the skin to put it. So if you see me looking that way, I'm looking at my mirror because I need some sort of, I'm going to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to see. I think I need to cut off some more of it on the side, so that I think this would go here and then this would go here. I think there's like a root here, so here, but this is my sideburn, look down here. But if I put this up here, so no, this definitely has to go here. I think my face is too small for this, maybe. Somebody sideburn come down here, so I guess when they're doing this kind of baby hair, they do. We're taking the plastic off. No. So let me get one more clean rub, just because, right? I'll put the thing on there. One more clean rub, and then we're going to apply it right there, right? So after applying it, you need to get a damp rag, right? This is my rag, and just like the tattoo, you put on, you damp it, damp all of it. Actually, it doesn't look like that, so let's do this other side. Okay. Oh, I kind of like it. Wait, hold on, let me fix here. So what I'm doing now is there were some like little parts that were lifted, and let me see if I can get you guys closer. So there were some parts that were, let me see if I can this side here. You see that part, it lift? I'm just using the rag to put it down. This side is better than the other side. It's so cute. I like it actually, and I like, yeah. Wait, hold on, let me bring you guys closer. See that part here came. Oh, it's spoiled, but that's fine. It doesn't look bad from afar, but you can see that it was supposed to look like this. But I think when I was putting it on, I felt like it bent, but I didn't think that she could have done that. But hey, sometimes your baby hair don't come out perfect, so it just makes it seem as if it's not a perfect baby hair. But it doesn't look bad. It's my first child. I'll do it again. I have another one, so I'll do it again and put it closer this time. I think this one is close, but this one I wanted to come up some more. See? Right there, just space right there. That you want it to come up into somewhere. When I finish my makeup, I'll come back to you guys to let you see the final look, and you tell me what you think about it. But I like it so far. It's just that this bar was supposed to go closer in. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and as you can see, the baby hairs are looking okay. All right, so for me, let us talk about the baby hairs now. So I would say I would prefer if the baby hair was a little lighter. To me, it's too dark. I don't know if it's dark for my hair, I don't know, but it's a little bit too dark. I don't know what it is about it, but it just brings off a dark vibes. So if it was a lighter color, because I don't think this color is like jet black. It gives off a jet black look. Let me bring you guys closer. See, it looks jet black, and my hair is not jet black, it's black. My hair is black, of course, but it's not jet black, so it doesn't really, I don't know, something about it just don't look natural. I guess that's it. But even though it's not natural, so it's not going to look natural, but I think if it was like a dark brown look color, it will look better. And other than that, it's quite fine, to be honest. I just think it's the color for me. Yeah, I think it's the color for me. Let me know what you guys think about it in the description box. Not the description box. In the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about it. For those who are in China, if you want me to put the link of where on Tabo I got it, you can. I will put it down in the description box. And remember, if you want to see me do this hairstyle again, because I think this is going to be my summer hairstyle, because it's really hot in China. I don't even know how I'm going to go out with makeup on my face. Like, I'm going out. But yeah. Yeah, if you like this, don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'm a YouTuber now. Don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.